Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to Programming Concepts. I am Sayyid Naveed Abbas, and this video is going to be the second part of Skin Diseases Classifier. So today we shall be creating a new Python file. I'm gonna name it as skin image.py. So in this image, we are going to load our model and load the image that we are going to test, and then print the result if it belongs to acne, hair fall, or if it is normal or any skin allergy is detected. So let's start it from TensorFlow import Keras, import CV2, import NumPy as NP, and import argument parser. Okay, then we need to create the argument parser. So here it is. We are going to provide the image, the complete image path that we want to test. Its type is string and it is required. If you don't provide this argument, the program is not going to run. And this is the help path to the image to test. Then we're going to need to load the model. So model equals Keras models load model. So this is the model that was trained and saved. I'm gonna specify this skin model.model. Now we need to define the labels. When we shall be testing a new image, our model will be giving us the indexes. So it's not going to give us the exact answer like it is acne or something. The answer wouldn't be in English. So we need to define these labels so that we can then map the answer. So the labels are, so the first one was acne. So we need to write them in the same order as they were given to during the training. So acne, so when our model says the skin diseases that is detected is the first one, so it means it is acne. And if it says it's the second one, then it means it is hair fall, and so on. Okay. Now we need to read the image from the arguments. If there is no image, then we shall be printing the error message. Now we need to do the same pre-processing as we did before the training. For example, we converted the channel of the image from BGR to RGB. We resized the image, and also we normalized the image, the values from 0 to 255. Now we need to make the prediction. Make predictions. So prediction equals model predict. Then we need to provide the image. So the prediction will be added in this variable. Now we need the prediction wouldn't be straightforward. So it would be like this person acne, this person hair fall, this person fungus, this person normal, and this person allergy. So we need to find the maximum percentage. So the one with the maximum score is the correct score. So we need to grab the one which is having the maximum probability. and then we're gonna extract its label. So we're gonna find out its index, and then we're gonna find it in labels, and finally then we're gonna print the results. So let me save the file and run this program. Python scan image dot py image. So I'm gonna provide it the image from the test folder. I'm gonna provide the hair loss. So it's gonna be dataset slash acne. Sorry, no, hair loss slash. I'm gonna provide it the third image, test 5 into 6.jpeg. Okay, let's run this. Okay, it says cannot open. It's test 5 dataset. Sorry, here's another folder here. Test. Okay, now let's run this again. Okay, here it is, and it says it's a hair fall and the probability is 100%. So it was 100% sure that it belongs to hair fall. Okay, now I'm gonna download any image from internet so we can check if our detector is actually classifying. Okay, now we have this image here. I am going to provide this image using the argument parser. It is testing.png. Okay, it says a normal because most of the image is not containing the allergic part. What if we do some cropping here? Let's check this again. Now it says acne. Okay, find another image. Okay, this image is max res 2.jpg. Okay, it says skin allergy. Now find one from the hair loss category. Okay, it has detected the hair loss. I hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.